Hey, it's Rob from Skids Your Genius, and this is our official unboxing video of our new line of tools. I've been working with electronics since the 80s. I've been working with all these different attachments and making harnesses and controllers and all these things, and I'm always looking for handy tools that do the job. So we teamed with a manufacturer that makes tools, and we got them to make tools specifically for us. So these are our own tools, and this is basically our unboxing. So this is our DCT12-100, and what this is our Deutsch crimping tool for 10 to 12 gauge sockets or pins. The beauty of this tool is it's adjustable. So if the crimp isn't quite deep enough, and the reason you would adjust the crimp is because you're using a slightly different type of wire, a slightly different gauge of wire, you can actually adjust it on this tool. This is one of the few tools that I've seen that you can actually do this on, so it's really cool. But it's very simple to use, doesn't take much hand strength to crimp it, and it goes down and it will not release until it's properly crimped. So you're guaranteed a proper crimp every time. It's got an adjustable barrel depth, so you can change it for depending on the depth of the barrel, and these are for the barrel style Deutsch pins and sockets. So they got to be the ones that are round on both ends, not the ones that have kind of the little tabs that fold over. But this is the 10 to 12 gauge one. So this is generally used on the 8-pin sockets and plugs that are on ASV old Caterpillar ABC series. So that's prior to 2015, as well as Terex. So that's what this tool is for. Then I've got the DTC16. This is for the finer gauge sockets and pins. So if you look, it's identical. So just pay attention because it's very easy to mix these up. This is for the finer pins and sockets. You're going to find those on all of the 14 pins. And those 14 pins are used on all the new Caterpillars from 2015 forward, on the D series, the 255s, 6575s. You're going to find these on all of those machines, as well as Gale, Kubota, Devilon, all of those different brands you're going to find this on. So this is the tool for that. And this is an awesome tool. It feels like quality when you're using it. Absolutely. When you have it in your hand, it feels like a quality tool. And they're very inexpensive because our buying power, we buy a lot of these. These are manufactured in our name, our logo. So we got a really good deal on them, and we pass that deal on to you. Then I get into our ITT. So this is our ITT tool. This is for the Trident Neptunes. And those are the ones with the 7 pins that are on Bobcats. And this is the crimping tool for their pins and sockets. And what we did is we combined this one with a stripper too. So you can strip the wire and you can crimp the connections on. And I'll do separate video on how to use these properly so you know which ones to use when you're crimping. But this is that tool. Then the next thing, we have a basic stripper kit, basically, for stripping a wire stripper kit. So this is just, I use these all the time. I have dozens of them on my benches. This is just a wire stripping tool, and it cuts. It's got the cutter built in and the stripper. So very basic, very inexpensive, but it's a good quality tool because it's got our name on it. Then we get to the heavier duty kits for people that are kind of really serious into, they've got a shop set up where they're doing a lot of work with with a lot of different Deutsch connections. So we made up these kits. And what these kits do is these have everything that you're going to need to operate a shop. So if I open this up, I've got the big heavy duty tool in here, completely adjustable. It does, I believe it's 8 gauge all the way up to 28 gauge on here. It's got a machine barrel, it's got adjustable barrels so you can adjust your sizes, as well as it's got the different colors for the different gauges so that you can get the exact depth that you need. So we've got the gold, the red, and the blue. These are all color coded for what you're doing. We have a go, no-go gauge that comes in this, so you can check the crimps and make sure that you're doing it right, and it's fully adjustable. And this is a big heavy duty tool. So if you're doing a lot of the heavier gauge ones, this is a really good one to use because it's such a heavy duty tool, and it's got a little bit longer handle. So it gives you a little bit better leverage when you're trying to crimp. But again, it locks. So it does the same thing as the other ones. It locks until you make the crimp all the way. So it will not let you release it until you push it all the way down. And now it's locked in there. So this is an awesome tool. And if you're serious about it, you can buy, basically this is the same quality one that you buy from Deutsch, but it's almost half the price. Again, because it has our name on it and we have buying ability to buy a lot of these and get a really good discount on them. So check us out on skidsteergenius.com for any of your tool or your connectors or your adapter needs or controllers. Check us out often because we're always adding new things.